Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we're 2016 Holden Colorado, stock number 6646. This run from the 10th 2013 to 7th 2016. It has an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front aftermarket 16-inch wheel, good tyre. Left hand guard, no dents. Front bonnet, 2 dents. Left front door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch aftermarket steel wheel, good tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear tailgate. Dents along top edge. Right hand taillight. Right rear 16-inch aftermarket steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, 1 dent. Right front door mirror. Right front aftermarket 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, would have been a gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,